Hello, everyone. In this video, I will give you information about Albert Einstein. You will know more about Albert Einstein after watching our video. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to watch our other videos, you can visit our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications to be notified of our new videos. Now, let's watch our video to learn more about Albert Einstein. A genius in science. The life and legacy of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, a brilliant mind who made an immense contribution to the scientific stage of the 20th century, is engraved in history as a revolutionary genius in theoretical physics. The life of Albert Einstein is not only noteworthy for his groundbreaking contributions to the world of science but also for his personal history, life philosophy, and worldview. Born in the Württemberg region of Germany in 1879, Einstein drew attention at a young age due to his extraordinary intelligence and profound capacity for thought. The theory of relativity and the mass-energy equivalence formula that he introduced to the physics world are considered milestones in the history of science. Early years and education. Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in the city of Ulm in the Württemberg region of Germany. Born into a Jewish family, Einstein was a calm student during his childhood, showcasing his talents in mathematics and physics at a young age. His family also noticed his musical talent as he began playing the piano at an early age. In 1895, he entered the Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich, Switzerland. During his education in Zurich, Einstein often stood out with irregular attendance in formal classes and an autonomous style of study. His deep understanding of mathematics and physics during this period was appreciated by his fellow students and teachers. Patent office in Annus Mirabilis. After graduating, Einstein began working as a patent examiner at the Bern Patent Office. However, not content with a routine job, Einstein left an indelible mark in 1905 by focusing intensively on scientific thoughts. This period is known as the Annus Mirabilis Miracle Year, during which he published 4 articles that revolutionized the scientific world. These articles covered the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special relativity, and the equivalence of mass and energy. Theory of relativity and general relativity. Einstein's theory of relativity is divided into 2 main branches, special relativity and general relativity. The special relativity theory, published in 1905, redefined the concepts of time and space, providing a new perspective on physical events. His general relativity theory, introduced in 1915, defined gravity as the curvature of space-time, evolving Newton's classical theory of gravity. These theories have become fundamental principles in physics that still hold validity today. EMC and nuclear physics. Einstein's famous equation, EMC, mathematically expresses the relationship between mass and energy. This formula found practical applications in nuclear physics and the development of the atomic bomb, demonstrating that energy is a form of matter. Einstein's discovery is considered one of the most important scientific breakthroughs of the 20th century. Social and political activism. Einstein was not only recognized as a scientist but also as an advocate for human rights and peace. Fleeing Germany in 1933 due to Adolf Hitler's rise to power, he opposed the use of nuclear weapons and critically approached the Zionist movement and the rights of the Jewish people. Nobel Prize and exile years. Albert Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his groundbreaking contributions to science. However, this was an unusual situation. He received the prize not for predictable and predetermined work but for his contributions to the photoelectric effect, leading to criticism due to the scientific community's incomplete acceptance of his more radical works, such as the general theory of relativity. Einstein's significant period of exile began with Adolf Hitler's rise to power in 1933. The Nazi regime, especially targeting Jewish scientists and intellectuals, initiated widespread persecution. Einstein, known for his activism against anti-Semitism and fascism, found himself in a dangerous situation in Germany. Affected by these political changes, Einstein was forced to leave Germany. In 1933, he resigned from the Royal Prussian Academy of Sciences, where he had previously served as a professor in Berlin, and bid farewell to his students. He initially went to Belgium and stayed in Brussels for a short period. Later in 1933, he migrated to the United States. Upon his first arrival in America, he began his professorship at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. Einstein's decision to migrate to America was driven not only by concerns for his personal safety but also by a stance against attacks on scientists and intellectual freedom. Despite his attachment to his homeland, the pressure exerted by the Hitler regime on science and intellectual freedom led Einstein to settle in America. Throughout his exile years, Einstein worked as a lecturer in America, continued scientific research, and actively participated in social issues. During World War II, he contributed to American defense projects and played a significant role in post-war efforts for the control of nuclear weapons. Einstein's exile years are not just a personal drama but also a period when he emerged as an advocate for intellectual freedom and human rights. After his exile, he decided to remain in America and passed away in 1955. However, his scientific legacy and societal impact continued. The theory of relativity, the formula EMC, and general relativity remain foundational concepts in physics. Einstein's name has become not only a symbol in the scientific community but also in popular culture. Death and scientific legacy. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, at his home in Princeton, New Jersey. Even after his death, his scientific legacy and influence persisted. The theory of relativity, the EMC formula, and general relativity continue to be cornerstones in the field of physics. Einstein's name has become a symbol not only in the scientific world but also in general culture. Einstein's intellectual legacy. Einstein is remembered not only for his achievements in science but also for his worldview and life philosophy. His views on religious, ethical, and philosophical matters indicate that he was more than just a scientist, he was an intellectual. The connection he established between science and art points to a profound contemplation of the relationship between humanity and the universe. Einstein's place in popular culture. Albert Einstein has also secured an important place in popular culture. His iconic white hair, historical mustache, and captivating personality have made him a representation in various artworks and popular media elements. Through films, books, and art, the impact of Einstein worldwide and his continued inspiration are still being narrated. Conclusion and evaluation. The life of Albert Einstein serves as an important example not only for the revolutionary contributions he made to the world of science but also for the intellectual depth and societal impact he provided for humanity. Concepts such as the theory of relativity, the EMC formula, and general relativity have solidified his unique place in the history of science. However, it is not only his role as a scientist but also the intellectual legacy he left as a human that makes him immortal. Albert Einstein will continue to be remembered not just as a genius in science but also as one of the significant figures in the history of humanity. I hope this presentation gives you an overview of the historical background of the Albert Einstein. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to watch our other videos, you can visit our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications to be notified of our new video.